11K plus subscribers in just one video of Mission to Loot. 12K plus subscribers in just 3 videos of AI Samurai. 31K plus subscribers in 9 videos of Blow Me AI. 38K plus subscribers in 10 videos of Digital Income Project. How are they doing all this? And now wait and see. Mission to Loot's first video has 305K views. 389K views on Samurai AI's second video. Bloom AI first video also has 1.2 million views. A video of the Digital Income Project also got 500K views. Whether these people are geniuses or have they come to know some secret? I analyzed all of these channels very well, and I came to know some things that are common in these 3 channels, or you can say that all 3 channels use them in their videos, because of which they are getting so many views. By analyzing, I came to know 4 points. Out of these, the third point is the most important, and with the last point, you can know their tricks. Point number 1, use of known entity. If you follow the Digital Income Project channel, then you will already know this. How smartly using the names of big YouTubers gives benefits. Similarly, these 3 use the names of channels smartly. Point number 2, perfect intro hook. First, watch this video clip.
So, you want to make money with AI and YouTube, but you don't know where to start? Well, lucky for you, you got a dumbass right here that knows how to do it. You see, these channels are absolutely huge here on YouTube.
In this clip, the question was asked in the intro itself or talked about the relatable problem, due to which the audience got hooked on the intro. Will work be done only with an intro hook? Actually, there should be perfect video editing with a perfect intro, which is our third point. Point number 3, perfect editing. If you watch their videos, you will come to know that these people are using images and videos related to the word. And along with that, the text is also shown. Always keep in mind that different text fonts are not used in the video. Point number 4, catchy thumbnail. If you see any of these thumbnails, their thumbnails will not be more than 3 to 4 words and will have 1 or 2 elements that support the written text, which gives the audience a solid reason to click on their videos. And I have also followed all these things in this video. If you have any questions related to this video, you can ask me in the comment section. If you like the video, then like it and subscribe to learn something new.